Hey everybody! Hope everyone is having a great week. I just wanted to hop on here fast and talk about Facebook parties. And I'm so excited to start hosting these parties. And when I first heard about a mascara party, I freaked out. I was like, oh my gosh, I can't have people to my house. Like, I don't know enough people in my area. Like, who's gonna come to my party? And then I found out they were all online. They were all in Facebook groups, or they're on Instagram too. And I'm working on learning how to do everything on Instagram. I'm an Instagram girl more than Facebook. So I'll be starting doing some Instagram stuff soon. But anyway, right now we're doing Facebook parties. So the party isn't one day, the party is a whole week. That's another thing I was super confused about. So hopefully this will help you decide if you want to do one or not. It's a week and I'm the artist for your party and you're the host. So all you really are going to do is you are going to invite your friends. Like, it's good to say you have maybe 10 or so friends that you know are going to be interested and that you can invite to your party. So you're just going to do that, and I would send you an email. And for my girls that already booked, I'm going to get that email out to you this week. Send you an email with like what to say and how to interact properly. We don't just mass add people to these parties. So like I selected the people in this group of my Facebook friends who I knew could be interested, or like I know we've been friends either in the past or friends now, and it's also a really great way to just like reconnect with people, which I've been able to do through this. So anyway, you're the host, so I will set up everything for you. I will set up your group, and it will be called, let's say my sister-in-law Alex, because she's gonna do one. Let's say it will just be called Alex's makeup class, or Alex's 5-minute makeup class. And I will have everything set up, scheduled, templated to go out. It would be great if you already had mascara makeup, but if you don't, it's still fine. Speaking of that, if you want to try it, it's amazing. So it's really easy to just get color matched. And so if you want to send me your pictures, take the quiz, I will for sure match you for completely free, and then you can decide whether you want to buy or not. So then, sorry, I got off track. I'm going to tell you a little bit more. So we will, on like a Tuesday of that week of the party, we will do a live, and I will host that. So I will come on with no makeup on, and if you watch Nicole do it for my group, I'll do it for yours. And so all you really have to do is show up, just be active, just write some comments. If you have your own before and after, that's perfect. And just join in on like just communicating with people, but like I will do all the hard work. You don't have to design anything, you don't have to post anything if you don't want to. And one of the best perks of hosting a party is what you'll get in return. So I want to hit on that quick. First of all, for my girls in this group, I'm already giving away 2, but this is my favorite brush. This is the Buffy brush. It just is amazing. It gives you an airbrush perfected look. So I have one more of these to give out. So my third girl to host a party with me as the artist gets a Buffy brush. This is a $38 value, and it is worth that $38. It's amazing. When I first bought mascara, I didn't buy brush. And I'm like, oh, I could just go to Giant Eagle, or, well, for my Pittsburgh people, or go on Amazon and look up brushes and get whatever. And they still got the makeup on. The makeup was great. But when I got these brushes, it just changed everything. They are made for this makeup. They're so nice. And you don't have to use 2. Like, look, I just have 1. So, and like all their brushes are like that. They're all double-ended. So multi-use, quick. That's our goal here with mascara. And so the party rewards. So you will get the free brush the next person, the next girl. But even if you're after that, I'm gonna be posting my schedule list up probably tonight or tomorrow morning with my open dates. So it's like a week long. So it'll start on a Monday and end on a Saturday, just like mine did. So here's where I was confused. And I'm like, what does this mean? If you're hosting a party and you make between 200, like people order between $200 and $299 worth of makeup, it starts at 200 when you start getting rewards, you'll get 10% of those total sales in free gifts. So you'll get free makeup. So if they spent $200 and that's what you made for your party, you would then get $20 worth of free makeup. And one of those items are gonna be at 50% off. So that would be like a $14 face shade. It would be $7. And then like you could get another one for $14. And it's covered. Plus you get the puffy brush. So if you sell between, okay, wait, that was $200 to $399. If you sell between $400 and $499, you get 12% of the sales in free makeup. And I can't do that math that quickly to get 12%, but you also get 2 items at 50% off. So you can see how this adds up like crazy. $500 to $999, you make 15% of free gifts. So 15% of $500 in free makeup, and you get 3 items at 50% off. If you do $1,000 plus, you will get 20% of the total sale, which is amazing, in free stuff, and 4 items at 50% off. Like, that's crazy. That's amazing. You can get so much makeup, and I really want you guys to do it. And I will work so hard on your party. I will color match everyone, so you don't have to do that. I'll do all the color matching. I'll do all the cart building. You just sit back and comment and be a part of it, but I'll do all the hard work. So you can make up to $500 in free makeup. So being a host is a super cool idea, and I really hope you guys jump on it, and I'm really excited to do this with you all. I hope you've been enjoying the eyeshadow destination swatches. If you guys know me, you know I love travel, so combining the travel destinations with the quads was so much fun, and these eyeshadows are incredible. I used to only use Urban Decay Naked palettes, and these are more pigmented, prettier. They come in so many different shades. I'm gonna post my mentor Nicole's, because she was on the live. She did an amazing eye look earlier today, so I'm gonna post that so you see. But they last forever. It's like $48 for 4, and you get a free palette. So DM me if you're interested in the party. If you have any questions about what I said, put it in the comments below.